Here's the app called Tiimo, Visual Daily Planner. So let's install it and see how it looks like. There is a search in these apps which have just a better visual presentation of your everyday to-do list and your everyday calendar, because standard calendar apps from Google and from Apple, sometimes they're just not so good, and a lot of people can get stressed from it or just disorganized and all of that. So if you just want to have more visual calendars, definitely try out this app. Also, another viral app is called Structured Daily Planner. Look for that. I also did tutorials about it. So here is the Tiimo app. Imagine a better way to plan your day and bring order to the overwhelming things. Every feature carefully crafted to support the planning needs you didn't know you had. We're a visual day planner. Try Tiimo and feel the difference. Make it happen. And then like you just select what whatever, and then you just select and go on to creating your account. Just enter a few questions. You can then continue with email or continue with your Apple ID as you want, and then you just continue from here. And then you can start 7-day free trial and then save 39 on your plan. And then, yeah, for example, just add your activity, and then you can just add something like that, walk, and then 30 minutes, and then just tap add. So start now, and then you just add it like that, and then you just add another activity, eat. Start time. No, it's too late. So eating like before 6 p.m. or whatever. And then you can just save changes. And then, yeah. So, and then it automatically adds some icons based on your text, which is pretty cool. And then, yeah, you have it like that. So you have Monday, and then you have just like this nice visual representation. You can add weekly plans. You can import your calendar. Then, yeah, so that's the idea. Then you can just easily see your daily plan, how it looks like. And it just has this nice, easy view. I see in a lot of apps, like also this Structured Daily Planner app, where they have this vertical, easy to digest design, and it just feels much better than just standard calendar apps on iOS or Android. Then you have library, and then just you have a field account, and then yeah, you can just tap and hold, and I guess you can add widgets, either your home screen widgets, or you can add lock screen widgets. Get in your zone with the focus time, and then yeah, you can just have daily overview stuff, notes. So all of the stuff you can just have here. So yeah, so give a try to this app, definitely.